Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
Recently, we have made a detailed video on BrahMos missile and its capabilities. The supersonic cruise missile is not only in great demand in many countries, but very soon we would be seeing a couple of deals getting inked. The countries which seem to be most interested in the missile system are Egypt, Philippines and Vietnam. In today's video, we are going to discuss in detail about the potential countries which are looking to procure the supersonic cruise missile. BrahMos Aerospace had actively participated in edX held in December 2021. During the Defense Expo, India had showcased the land, water and air versions of BrahMos. The head of Armament Authority of Egyptian Armed Forces also met the CEO of BrahMos Aerospace. As per the Middle East media reports, the negotiations for the purchase of BrahMos is proceeding smoothly between the two countries and it's a matter of time before the deal will be inked. However, India has one challenge before inking this deal. As we are aware of the rivalry between Egypt and Israel, if Egypt procures the BrahMos missile, it will be a big threat for Israel as it has capability to dodge any air defense system due to its supersonic cruising speed, terrain hugging capability and S maneuver at terminal stage. India is under pressure from Israel for not selling BrahMos to Egypt. China lays claim to most of the waters within so-called 9-line, which is also contested by Brunei, Malaysia, the Philippines, Taiwan and Vietnam. The rivalry between Philippines and China over the South China Sea is widely known. In order to protect its maritime interest, Philippines is looking for a weapon which scares the China most. Nothing beats and escapes BrahMos anti-ship capability, and this is what Philippines want in order to strengthen its shore and ward off the Navy from its coast. Last month, a team from Philippine Navy also visited BrahMos Aerospace Production Unit in Hyderabad as a part of the procurement procedure. Recently, it has been reported that the government of Philippines has allocated funds for the procurement of BrahMos cruise missile system. The Philippines Department of Budget Management made two special allotment release orders with a combined worth of $55.5 million to meet initial funding requirements for a shore-based anti-ship missile system acquisition project. From what it seems, Philippines will become the first overseas customer of BrahMos. The third country in the list of BrahMos sale is Vietnam. Like Philippines, Vietnam also faces maritime threat from China. As we all know that Indian Defense Minister Shri Rajnath Singh will be visiting Vietnam this month. In his visit, both the countries will be discussing defense and joint collaboration, including training and maintenance of defense equipment. The export of BrahMos missile is also on the agenda. Since Vietnam shares land and sea boundaries with China, it's looking for both land and maritime version of BrahMos to counter PLA's Southern Theater Command. India and Vietnam had agreed upon a comprehensive strategic partnership in 2016, and New Delhi has also extended $100 million defense line of credit to Hanoi.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.